Guys, this is Toyota Fortuner. This is the automatic transmission. As you can see here at the driver's area, this is the automatic, and this is the first row at the back of the driver. And then, as you can see, you can pull the second row. This is a 8-seater SUV. You can pull the last row so that you can put lot of luggage. Okay, one here. Then we will start the SUV, the Toyota Fortuner. Okay, so a quick start. This is a Toyota Fortuner again, and if you would like to book this one, just log in at Book to Wheel. Thank you, guys.